how to transfer money to Virgin Money credit card. Now you must know how to transfer money from a bank account to credit card, but you want to transfer from basically to your credit card this time. So if you want to transfer money to your Virgin Money credit card, basically for this you can use any banking app based on your choice, and whenever you're using a banking app, just select send money and select business account. So select send to business account, and to send money to your Virgin Money credit card you have to type in sort code 406425 as a sort code. I repeat, 406425, account number 413200424, and as a reference, which means the account number means the thing, in the reference tab you have to simply enter your own 16-digit Virgin Money credit card number. So in the sort code you do 406425, account number 413200424, and for reference you enter the 16-digit credit card number. Then after that you should be able to go ahead and transfer money to your Virgin Money credit card. Now for any type of queries you might also try to contact your bank or building society to make a payment. So I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.